how to update Wire Messenger to the latest version. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are in Wire Messenger and want to make sure you are using the latest version, then here is how you can do it. First of all, go ahead and open your Google Play Store or your App Store on your smartphone. Now go to the search bar at the bottom. In the search box at the top, type in Wire and search. Look for the Wire Secure Messenger application which you've already installed on your device. And once you go to this details page, you'll see an open or the update button. Now if a new version is available and you are yet to download it, you'll see an update button. Tap on it to download the latest version of the Wire application. Wire regularly releases updates through the official app stores, so if you see the update button, tap on it and wait while the latest version downloads and installs. If you see the open button instead, it means you already have the latest version installed on your device. Simply go ahead and get back to using Wire Secure Messenger if the update is not needed. So that way, you can update your Wire Messenger application to the latest version on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.